everyone. Dear students, today we have a discussion on a new feature of Microsoft Word, that is what is macro. So first of all, a macro is a series of commands that are recorded so that it can be played back or executed later. Okay. So now what are the benefits of this macros, because when I am making it to combine up all those series of commands under one head, so then what its benefits are. So let's have a look on that. So benefits or uses of macro is, first benefit is it saves times by combining a series of action into a single command. And the second thing, it is ideal when we have to do a repetitive job or repetitive task frequently. That time it gives us a benefit. Okay, so now let's have a look how we can create a macro. So for that we are having our view menu here, and in the view menu we have an option of macros. So on the macros you can see here, while the screen tip also, that the shortcut for macros is Alt plus F8. And we click on this macros arrow, we go to the record macro, and we will create a new macro with a name my first. I give it the name because I am making it for the first time. So I click on the keyboard, because with the keyboard shortcut I created. So I press here a shortcut key which I can use, that is Alt G. Okay, so I click on assign and close it. Now you can see this is kind of recorder, it's below there, the cassette. So now I will write the thing which I require to be recorded in my macro. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will write here something regarding me, as my initials I want to write everywhere. So I record that initials of mine in this macro. Okay, so that same I am typing which I want to be recorded in my macro. This is the thing. Now this I have saved inside my macro, you can see. Now I will stop recording the macro. How will I do that? Macros and stop recording. So this is how I have created the macro with a shortcut key Alt plus G. Okay, so I now want this initial to be typed again and again at number of places, because you know that it is saving time by combining a series of actions to a single command, as well as idle for the repetitive task. So now here I click at the starting and I want my initials here with the same formatting what is given over here. So what was my shortcut? Alt and G. Okay, so you can see this has appeared here again one more. So I click here, or because I have clicked in between here, so it will go again and again there. Even I can take a new document. In the new document also, if I create and the same macro which I have saved with the shortcut Alt G, so you can see this has come up here. So this is how I can create a shortcut for my macro. Now the other thing what I am going to do is creating my toolbar icon for the same purpose, for a macro. Okay, so now how will I do that? First of all, I select a word here. I tell you afterwards why I have selected it. Okay, now again I will go to the macros. I again click on record macro, and here I give it my second. Okay, because this is my second macro which I am creating, but I am using here is the toolbar button. So I click here. Accordingly, I have got word options dialog box over here, and this kind of my second macro here. So I click over here and add this icon into the, you must have seen this earlier also, into the QAT, that is quick access toolbar. So I click here, add. Till now in the quick access toolbar there is no icon, but I have now going to click OK. So you can see the icon has been displayed here. Now I want a formatting to be saved into it. So I have already selected a word so that I can see those formatting also. So I change the color of it. Suppose I give it a color blue. Okay, then I am giving it a highlight color of yellow. Then I am increasing its size. I am changing its format of the font. I am changing its size. I am making it bold and underline. Okay, this all formatting I have saved for my in this macro second. Okay, now I stop its recording. So where I have to go? In the view menu, my children. Now after recording my all the commands in single macro, which I named as my second macro, so I execute the same commands for my this first word now. So for that I will select this word and I go here, the button which I have created. Okay, I just click over here and you can see the same formatting of macro which I have made has got saved into this macro icon. So this is how I can create my macro using a toolbar. So hopefully all today will be able to understand the concept of macro. Bye bye.